Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the Sabre fifth wheel by Forest River, the 37 FLL front living room loft. Right now you're looking at a pretty bad glare from the sun, but it does have a pass-through storage, front compartment storage. It does come with solar panels and a small inverter to run the refrigerator. We'll get to that in a little bit when we get inside. One of the best constructed fifth wheels, in my opinion, on the market right now. In this particular floor plan, you got a nice little outside kitchen, big power awning that actually covers the outside kitchen while you're out barbecuing. And it is prepped for backup camera. Now, a lot of them already come with a backup camera, which is really nice, and of course, auto level system. Now, going inside, you're going to find that it has a fireplace. Now, this one I was actually able to plug in and give you some lighting in it, unlike others in the past. So you get a nice big screen TV, seating for 6, sleeping for a whole lot more, especially if you've been drinking. So theater seating for those that like to recline while they sleep, and then you have 2 pull-out couches to sleep up to 4 people. Big, huge, now I'm talking about huge counter space for all of your cooking needs. You get a nice freestanding dinette, pantry, big residential refrigerator, and plenty of storage for all of your kitchen needs. It does have the farm style sink, which realistically the farm style sink is not deep, but it's one piece, so it makes it easier to do, you know, even the medium sized pots and pans. And then we go down the hall into the worst part of this floor plan. It's terrible, the size of this bathroom. It's dinky, it's tiny. It feels a little claustrophobic, but you can't get everything in a coach, and you spend not that much time in the bathroom, realize. And then we step down into the master bedroom, which has a king size bed, and it does have washer dryer hookup, and then plenty of closet space for all of your clothes. See that little door right there at the mirror? Washer dryer can go in there, or you can turn it into a closet. Now we climb up the loft, and the loft is one of the coolest parts of this, is that you can sleep kids, kind of like a bunkhouse. Like I said, it's the big living space with the sleeping capacity of a bunkhouse, loft on each side, so you can sleep 4 or 5 kids up there, plus 4 or 5 people up where the sofas are. Now what I'm going to do is stop talking and show you all the open storage. We're going to open up all the cabinets for you. Enjoy.